Branding is incredibly important, but often marketers overstate the importance of brands. First of all, brands are not competitive advantages. Competitive advantages generally come from two sources. Number one, economies of scale, and number two, customer captivity. Brands can help economies of scale and customer captivity, but they themselves are really just assets. And like other assets, they can be bought and sold. If a company wants to enter a particular market, it can simply purchase a brand that has credibility in that market. You can also invest in brands, as you would with any other asset, or let it atrophy. Think about Coca-Cola, one of the most successful companies in the world. A lot of people think its competitive advantage is the brand. In reality, Coke's above-average profitability stems from its incredibly strong economies of scale and customer captivity. Customers are habituated to buying Coke for a number of reasons that include the brand, but also the taste, the addictive caffeine, and the fact that it's available everywhere. There are many companies that have failed and gone bankrupt despite having great brands. That's because brands themselves are not a competitive advantage.